What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers, this is a quick part 2 grocery haul. Originally, I was only expecting to pick up some more meat once my rent payment and a couple of stuff went through. But my amazing daughter-in-law has blessed me. So, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come right back and let's get into this haul.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart. I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still build me. They took my innocence. No surprise, I played guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Got the burger buns because I'm going to make some burgers with my French onion soup mix. Got a frozen pizza. Got a frozen Stouffer's lasagna.
Few moments later.
Not my strong suit. Hey, before y'all get to talking, this is groceries for the month, okay? So I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Brussels sprouts. I should have got 2 bags. Corn on the cob. That's my andouille. Sparkling water. You already know what this is. Where are we gonna put it, Joe? We'll figure that out. Ground beef for the burgers. Ground beef molds better than turkey. So, and if you don't remember from yesterday, I'm going to put the French onion soup. I learned this from this girl named Rosalind. And French onion soup, ground beef mix makes the most seasoned and fire burgers you have ever had. Trust me when I tell you. Drumsticks.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That's to prevent me going. Probably need to throw these out. I think I've had them since I lived here. That's going to prevent me going, getting that $8 double scoop. Got me some chicken. Guys, I'm gonna put those in bags. I usually cook 2 at a time. Okay, one of these bags is breaking, maybe one in a while. Got me some peppers. I have somewhere in here, I have the stuff right here that you put in the peppers. I had a whole bunch left over when I ran out of peppers, so when I'm ready, I just gotta defrost it. I do it.
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
I'm not even gonna edit that out. I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm not gonna even edit that out. I need to rearrange this freezer, that's all. Some more of the Idaho potatoes. I love these. Garlic mash. I mean some more hot sauce. Taco mix. I honestly don't believe I put this on my list. I don't know who's shopped for me. They give me somebody else's baking soda. Y'all know I use baking soda for my baths, baking soda for my laundry, and baking soda for my acid reflux. So I got one there. There's my backup.
Weather is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It's mostly cloudy skies.
I think Echo be on when I'm recording.
More of the same.
The only time he talks.
77 degrees and a low
Sweet
of
baby
72.
Ray's because I'm gonna make me some ribs. I already got some, but this way I'll have some when I make the ribs. Speaking of ribs, here we go. I usually make them all and then freeze some. So I got the premium butt country style ribs. I keep forgetting to put that in my car. One of my YouTuber friends, Erez, said that these are hard to cook. For $13 they better cook up. So I just know to put the Instapot on a little bit longer. I think that may be my Valentine's meal. I haven't decided if I'm gonna want to cook that big. Some more ground turkey. Bacon I haven't had in months. I've been doing sausage. But when you get a blessing, you get you some extra. I don't know if I'm going to cook it for breakfast or wrap it in some asparagus. I didn't get the asparagus. I prefer to pick my own. Baby spinach for my salads. Ooh, just mishandling my little eggs. So now I have 6, 6, 8. No, 6 and 6 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 eggs. I use them when I make my cake frosting. What else do I use my eggs for? Cornbread. Got me some more broccoli cheddar soup. I love this soup. I should have got some more of them olives. Got me some more of this expensive ass apple cider vinegar, but I need it. I use it in my tea. I try to take me a shot a couple times a day. Got me some more sugar. I'm gonna leave it in this bag. What was in that bag? It's empty now. Got me some more wax melts. Something is in here. These are the mahogany sandalwood ones. I love them. The Febreze ones are my favorite. I picked this up the other day when I went to get my prescription. These are good too. Queen of the Night. For the car. Ever since I went from blacks to vapes, my car don't really smell. But I do notice that the vapes still mess up the smoke film on the window. Got me some more andouille sausage. I think I'm going to break these down. I'll break them down when I first open them. Got me some smoked hocks. I had told you guys about my lima beans. I cooked the smoked hocks. I put some in my beans. I usually do one and put it in my beans. Then make me some rice and cornbread. Bah! I didn't think I was going to pull them off this month, y'all, because, you know, I'm still making up for January. Trying to catch up and carrying on. But the blessings came through. green beans, corn. I meant to get cream corn, but I think I got a cream corn. Baked beans to go with my ribs. How do y'all baked beans? I put, okay, there go cream style. I put, Sweet Baby Ray's, a little bit of brown sugar. Damn. A little bit of brown sugar and some ground meat. I got my block cheese to eat with my raisins and my olives. A little Evie and Bougie snack. Got me some minced garlic because I'm going to try to be cooking more. So I got fresh garlic in there. I don't know how long that stuff lasts, but I went ahead and picked up a small bottle of mint, especially when I do my shrimp. But I did not buy shrimp, you guys, because I haven't really been cooking it at home. More chocolate. This chocolate is mainly for when I'm on my cycle.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Like I told y'all, I'm hoping that these groceries last me a month or close to it. These are the sugar-free drink mixes that I put in my water. And when I tell y'all these bad boys taste just like Kool-Aid, where's that sugar-free so y'all can see it? 0 sugar. For those of you who don't believe me. And of course we got some more pistachios. So we got pistachios to last us. Ooh, child. How did I end up with no shell? I didn't mean to get that one. The ones I just got a shell. But the ones I got yesterday, no shell. I don't like those. Send them to Loch Nessa. Foul on the play. Foul on the play. These are for my cycle. I will not touch them until my cycle. Back of the fridge, okay? Back of the fridge. Don't judge me, judge mama. I know, I'm the one with the diabetes. Y'all just trying to help me out. Turkey breast for my sandwiches. This is a little go-to snack. Sometimes when I'm going to a visit, I don't like to eat before I go to my visits because I'll be so scared I'm going to have to use the bathroom or my stomach going to get messed up. So this is one of those grab and goes. I used to get them from the gas station, but you get like 2 for almost $3. And here you get 6 for like $5. Now the last time I bought that turkey meat, y'all, I let it go bad. Don't let me do that. And last but not least, I feel like I got less stuff this time and spent more money. Got me some more, I don't know what you call it, margarine butter. Let me pull the old one out first. That. I gotta put that chicken in. Cake mix. I think I might make me a cake for Valentine's Day. Macaroni and cheese. I very rarely make this at home since my kids got older. And last but not least, some more oatmeal. When I go to the office or when I really don't feel like a meal, sometimes I just do my oatmeal. And the oats and grain and bran is good for you. I used to force myself to eat, oh, I had steak. No, them steaks from yesterday. Don't start. Don't start. I don't know what else to say, y'all. But anyway, so that's the grocery haul part 2. I'm about to break these chicken down into packs, and that's it. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend and tell a friend. I hope that, I don't know if this video will drop before or after my story time, but I hope you guys like today's story time. And yeah, that's that on that. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, tell a friend and tell a friend. How much was your last grocery haul? Drop it in the comments.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still billed me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.